Black Shark charging animation. Any Android. Charging Workshop, GitHub. Download files to phone. Install Charging Workshop. Open and grant permission. Copy data to this path. You need install Zarchived app on Play Store. Extract resources zip file. Open Zarchived and grant permission access storage. Locate to resources file extracted. Select all folder audio and video to copy or move. Copy to Android Datacom, SU. Charging. Paste data here. Replace data. Open Charging Workshop and enable toggle. Charging Guardian. Screen on animation. Real-time battery percent. Disable charging animation. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.